Hi friends, welcome to postgreSQL tutorial. In this video, I am going to explain an error which I got while I was working in postgreSQL Server version 15 in pgAdmin version 4. First, let us log into the postgreSQL Server by entering the password. Let me type the password. Please remember that this password is created while you installed postgreSQL Server in your system. Use the same password here. Click OK. Now expand servers. PostgreSQL 15. We have two databases, Postgres and TechNursery. Postgres is default database. It will be automatically created when you install PostgreSQL Server on your system. TechNursery I created manually. Let us take backup of TechNursery. We got an error, utility not found, utility file not found. Please correct the binary path in the preferences dialog. Click OK. Let us try to restore a backup to this database. Click restore. Utility not found, utility file not found. Please correct the binary path in the preferences dialog. Click OK. So when we try to backup or restore in PostgreSQL server using pgAdmin 4, I got the error utility not found. So let us fix this error. Go to File, Preferences, select Paths, click Binary Paths. Here, go down, PostgreSQL binary path. We are using PostgreSQL 15 version. We can see it here, PostgreSQL 15. So, we have to give the binary path here. I will open my folder here. In my system, binary path is PC, local disk C, program files, PostgreSQL 15 and bin. In your system, it depends upon the OS and PostgreSQL version. If you are using 14 version, it will be 14 or 13 or 12, like that. For me, this is the location. Let me copy this location. Minimize the folder, paste here, or you can browse it through this by clicking this icon. Let me save it. Now let us try to take the backup. Yes, we got the backup taking window. The same way, let us try to restore. We can restore. We got the window for restore the database. I hope you got how we can solve this issue. Thank you.